Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about the top 6 questions about YouTube monetization. Before we begin, please hit that like button to give us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Today we are going to answer the most common questions that people have about YouTube monetization. Question number 1. What is YouTube monetization? YouTube monetization is a program that is created for content creators. YouTube pays content creators who are already eligible for monetization whenever a viewer watches or clicks an ad within their video, and that is when the content creator gains revenue with their videos. Also, they need a verified AdSense account linked to their channel to receive payments. Content creators can be accepted into YouTube Partner Program. Not all channels that have tons of videos will be eligible for monetization. You must follow YouTube's community guidelines first, and if you follow the guidelines and upload content that doesn't violate the guidelines, you will be eligible for monetization once you meet the requirements. The requirements apply to the overall channel. The guidelines also provide information about what channels should avoid when creating content. And these are the examples that YouTube will not allow to be part of your content if you want to monetize your content on YouTube. First, content that has spam, deceptive practices, scams, nudity or sexual content, child safety, harmful content, hate speech, harassment, or cyberbullying. To get paid, you need to build your audience on your channel by posting content consistently and producing valuable content that your viewers are interested in watching, so more people will discover your channel and you'll get more viewers. Then set up your channel for monetization. You have to make sure that brands want to advertise on your videos. It is good if your viewers do not bypass or skip your ads. Then you will start to earn your income. In addition to YouTube's community guidelines, you can check the AdSense program policies, since AdSense will allow YouTube partners to get paid for monetizing their videos. AdSense allows content creators to earn money as company ads are played on their content. To get started with AdSense, you need a Google account, a phone number, and mailing address associated with your bank. That is where you'll get paid. Next is to connect your channel to AdSense. The AdSense policies allow content to have the same intro and outro, but the bulk of the content must be different. Question number 2. When is a YouTube channel eligible for monetization? If you upload videos on your channel consistently, you can gain subscribers to your channel that can match the required number of subscribers to be eligible for monetization. Your channel should have at least 1,000 subscribers, and you must have at least 4,000 valid public watch hours for your videos over the last 12 months. Take note that private videos with more watch hours will not be counted as valid watch hours. Also, any watch time that is beyond the 12-month duration will not be counted as well. Next, you must live in a country that supports the YouTube Partner Program. You can view the list of countries that the program supports. If your country is not on the list, then it won't be possible for your channel to be monetized. You must have no record within a specific period of time of violating any community guidelines. This is also referred to as community strikes. Also, use a two-step verification on your Google account to secure your channel. To prevent hackers from accessing your account, you can add another layer of security. When you sign in, Google prompts your phone that somebody is signing up on your Google account, and you need to tap on the notification that you receive on your mobile device to sign in securely. Also, you must have an AdSense account linked to your channel. If your application gets rejected, you can reapply again after 30 days. Next, question number 3. How to connect your YouTube channel to Google AdSense. Log into your YouTube account and look for YouTube Studio. On the left side menus, click on the $sign, which is the Monetization tab. Apply for monetization. Once these terms are met, you can click the Start button to start applying for monetization. Click on the check boxes when applying for monetization, then click the Accept button. Next, sign up for AdSense. Then sign up for AdSense or connect your existing account to your channel. Now select the Google AdSense account. Then your AdSense account will be linked to your YouTube channel. Next, question number 4. When will you get paid by YouTube? Once your channel meets the threshold, you'll get paid the next month. There will be payment cycles, so when the viewers finish watching the ads in your video, you'll gain revenue from those number of watches. For example, the minimum threshold for your channel is $100, and if you meet that amount for this month, you'll get paid the following month. Next, question number 5. What are important YouTube monetization policies? The most important part of YouTube monetization policies is that you must upload videos that you originally created. YouTube will review your content first. They will check the main theme of your channel, the most viewed videos, the newest videos, the biggest proportion of watch time, and your video metadata, including titles, thumbnails, or descriptions. Content creators must take note that it doesn't apply to only one video, but it applies to the overall channel content. There should be no abusive content in your channel. It is allowed to use clips for a critical review, a scene from a movie, where you have rewritten the dialogue and changed the voiceover. You can also upload replays of sport tournaments and explain the techniques used to succeed. Also, you can share reaction videos and comment on the original video. You may use edited footage from other content creators where you add a commentary. It is important that your videos follow YouTube's copyright and monetization rules. If you violate their policies, you'll risk the removal of ads from your videos, suspension from the program, or even account suspension. If there's a violation, YouTube will send an email about your violation and the options that you must follow. Question number 6. Can you monetize faceless videos? Yes, you can monetize even videos that don't show the creator's face. It still follows the guidelines that the bulk content of the video is not the same as the other videos that are uploaded on your channel. As long as you meet the requirements for monetization and you continue to gain more subscribers and viewers in your content, your faceless videos can be monetized as well. You just need to increase your viewers in your faceless videos. If you need to get unlimited leads with quality buyer traffic from YouTube ads, we have a marketing app that can help you get high-quality buyer traffic from YouTube using TubeTarget. Get quality traffic from YouTube for less than a fraction of Facebook. Master the secret tricks to a powerful, cutting-edge YouTube ad marketing video training that shows you everything you need to do. You can target buyers with precision. Get your targeting 100% precise and spot on for the highest quality and best converting traffic. Get rapid results. Put TubeTarget to practice to get measurable results right from the first day. TubeTarget is a powerful YouTube targeting SaaS with marketing training. Find monetized channels that will give you the best results for your niche. Get high-quality clicks and grab fresh leads. Get a flood of buyers with TubeTarget. Step 1. Find hundreds of monetized videos and channels for your niche. Step 2. Import your CSV into Google Ads and run your ads. Step 3. Watch the clicks non-stop. So try TubeTarget now. Go to gettubetarget.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.